In this video, I will walk you through the basics of Zoom meetings and how to host a meeting. So this video will be a lot useful to you. So keep watching till the end. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe here because we provide real information on technology and more. So let's start by going to the Zoom website. The website that we have to go is zoom.us. You can find here and you can click zoom.us website, and this is the website where we can join a meeting if someone have sent you the request, or we can host a meeting, as well as there are options for signing in and signing off here. So we do sign up first. For that we have to enter the birth rate here. Let's do it first, and continue. And here is the option to enter your email address and sign up directly in this website. Also you have the option for signing through Gmail or Facebook. I am doing here Gmail sign in. We can go to profile and you can see your details in the profile. If you want to change the photo, you can do it here by uploading the different photo, because it will already have the photo that is in your Gmail account, so you can change it. You can put your profile picture here and do save. That way you will change your profile picture here. The important thing I am showing you here is this one. This is the meeting ID. This you can provide that meeting ID to somebody and they can join in the meeting through that ID. So now let's start by hosting a meeting. I'm hosting here with the video on, and you can open the Zoom. There is one more thing to be taken careful. In my computer I can directly open the Zoom, but you need to download the Zoom. There is just me in the meeting now because I haven't requested anybody to do it, and I can ask someone else to join. For that I go to invite and copy the link. You can copy the link and send that link to your friend from any messaging systems, or you can go to Gmail and you can type the email, and there is the already typed email here, and you can type the email address to whom you want to send. Here I am sending myself, and I will use Zoom from different device, and I'll see how it does. So I'm using my different device to log in and to connect to the meeting. Okay, now I have joined the meeting from different device, and it will ask for either removing the invitation or accepting it. Because I am the host, I can manage it, so I'm allowing that person to enter. That means I am joining from different device, so that way this is me from different device and this is me from the computer. So similarly you and your friend can make a call, make a video call, or if you are working in an organization, or your people from that organization can manage the meeting this way. So if you want to end the video conferencing, you can do end meeting for all. That means everything will be closed, all the meeting will be closed. But if you do assign and leave, it means you assign host to somebody else, because you are the host and you have to assign host to somebody else, and you can do it.